Do you love trying new perfumes but don't want to spend a ton of money? Then this perfume subscription box just might be for you. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for new videos every week. Today I'm sharing my review of LUXSB, formerly known as Luxury Scent Box. This is a monthly designer fragrance subscription service for both men and women. I've had mine for quite a while now, and today I'm sharing the pros, the cons, and if I think this monthly subscription box is really worth the money. Stay tuned till the end of the video for a promo code for 35% off your first month. To start off, let's talk about how it works. With this subscription service, every month you receive a new fragrance. You get 0.3 ounces or 9 milliliters of the fragrance, which is approximately 150 sprays. Each fragrance you get comes in a glass vial that can be inserted into a reusable case. The first month you'll receive your reusable case that the glass vial goes in. The color that you'll get the first month is silver and black, and this protects the glass vial and makes it travel friendly. Each month you choose the fragrance that you want and it ships to you, which is a huge pro. You get to choose the fragrance. With a lot of subscription services these days, you don't get to choose what you actually get, so you might end up with something that you don't want. In your account, you have a fragrance calendar that you set up so that you have control of what fragrances get sent to you each month. Now, if you don't know what fragrance to choose, LUXSB has a couple of different options. On their website, they have a fragrance survey, which you can fill out and then it will give you recommendations for different fragrances to choose. Or if you contact customer service, they can set you up with a fragrance specialist that will recommend some different fragrances for you to choose as well. They have a couple of different monthly and annual plans. The first is the regular plan, which is $15 a month. With that plan, you get 0.3 ounces of a fragrance each month. The first month you get your reusable black and silver case, and then once a quarter or every season you'll receive a new colored reusable case. And then there's the premium plan, which is $18 a month. Again, with this plan, you get 0.3 ounces of your choice of fragrance each month, but with the premium plan, you get access to their premium fragrances, which are marked by a little note next to each fragrance, and you get a new colored case each month. With both plans, shipping is included, so you're not having to pay more for shipping, and they are month-to-month plans, meaning there is no contract and you can cancel them at any time. Next, let's talk about how to use the fragrances. So with the case, you are going to twist it to open and then you can spray from there. And then in order to refill the vial each month, you're going to pull the black piece at the top of the case and that will pull out the top and the vial. You can unscrew the vial and then screw in a new vial, place it back into the case, and then push it back down and twist to close. So one pro with this subscription service is that you get to try out new perfumes. Oftentimes I'm hesitant to try out different perfumes because one, they are expensive. Buying a bottle of perfume is very expensive. And two, if I don't like the perfume, then I have purchased the whole entire bottle. I have a whole bottle that's gone to waste and I have wasted all of that money. So with these, you get to try a small amount of lots of different perfumes to see if you like it. And lots of times if you're smelling perfume in the store, you're just smelling it on a little card and you don't really know how perfume smells until you get to actually wear it on yourself. So with these perfumes, you get to test them out on yourself and wear them and see how you like the smell. Another pro is that they're travel friendly. They're very small and come in a case, so they're easy to pop into your luggage or pop into your purse, and you don't have to worry about them spilling because they are protected by the case. Another pro is that LUXSB has great presentation. I am all about a great presentation. If you ship me something and it looks beautiful, I'm going to love it before I even open the box. And LUXSB really delivers with this. The packaging is super cute and adorable, and when you open it up, everything is really nice inside. Each fragrance has its own box, it comes with instructions, and it all just looks really nice. And same with the cases. Each of the cases are really nice. They have that nice twist to open, and the case itself looks really great. I especially think that presentation is really important with subscription boxes. You're giving this company your money every single month, and so it should look nice whenever it comes to you. So this is definitely a big pro to me. Another pro is that the fragrances last quite a while. Each of these is a month supply of a fragrance. They say that it's about 150 sprays. So if you divide that by 30 for each day of the month, then you're looking at about 5 sprays a day. Now, I don't know about you, but I usually don't use 5 sprays a day. I usually use about 3, and I honestly don't wear perfume every single day. So each fragrance will last longer than a month for me. Another pro is that you can buy larger sizes of the fragrances you like for a discounted price. If you get one fragrance you really like and want to purchase it for yourself, you can do that at a cheaper price. One con with this subscription service is you might get some fragrances that you don't really like. So you do have control and get to choose your fragrances, but if you don't know what they smell like, you might not like them that much. I have 3 different fragrances from LUXSB, and I like them all at varying different levels. My absolute favorite is this one, and it's Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream. I love this scent, and am so happy with it. It is my absolute favorite of the ones that I have. The next one is one that I like, but my husband doesn't really like. This one is Montal Starry Nights. I like this one personally, but my husband doesn't really like it, so I don't wear it that often. And the last one is one that I don't really prefer, but my husband likes a little bit more than the other one, and this is Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Rosé. So out of the 3 that I have one that I absolutely love and 2 that are kind of okay. I certainly don't hate any of them and will still continue to use them, and I think it's just worth getting to try some different fragrances, especially ones that I wouldn't have tried. So, is this subscription service worth the money? Now, in my detail-oriented brain, in order to figure this out, you really need to do the math. So, let's do the math. The best way I could figure out the value of this subscription box versus buying these fragrances at the store is to figure out how much per ounce you are paying for each of the perfumes. So the regular subscription that is $15 a month, you are paying $49.95 per ounce. You get 0.3 ounces per month. If you multiply that times 3.33, that would be the cost for 1 ounce. With the premium subscription that is $18 a month, you are paying $59.95 per ounce. So I compared that to the cost that you would pay per ounce for these fragrances at different department and beauty stores. So let's look at the math. The first fragrance that I absolutely love is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream. At the department store, I would be paying $60 an ounce for that fragrance. So at $49.95 an ounce, it is way worth it. The second fragrance, the one that my husband really liked, the Viva La Juicy Rosé, at the department store it costs about $46.47 an ounce. So it is a few dollars difference between the two. And the last fragrance I have, the Montal Starry Nights, is one of the premium fragrances. So this one costs $18 a month. At the department store, this fragrance costs about $50 an ounce. So it's a $9 difference for this fragrance. I did do the math on some of the other premium fragrances and found some that were also way cheaper through LUXSB. So depending on the fragrance that you choose, the amount that you're paying per ounce varies a few dollars. Sometimes it's a little bit more expensive, sometimes it's a little bit less. So it all kind of comes out fairly even in my opinion. But with this subscription service, you are getting a much smaller size that you can test in order to try it out, whereas at the department store you're gonna have to buy at least 1 ounce in order to try it out. So you're not paying for the price of the whole bottle. So is it worth it? In my opinion, if you are somebody who wants to try out different fragrances, or you are a perfume lover who loves to have a variety of different perfumes, this subscription service is totally worth it. Because you don't have to buy and spend the money on a whole bottle of perfume, this service can save you money. I also think that this would be a great gift for somebody like my mom who is a perfume lover, so she can have the gift of trying lots of different fragrances. LUXSB has given me a coupon code for my viewers. Use the code CORALHOYT for 35% off your first month. This means you only pay $9.75 for your first fragrance, which is a super deal for a designer fragrance. The coupon code and the link to LUXSB are down below in the description. If you want more beauty product reviews, click right here for my beauty review playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.